Well, we took the tractors to Wragby today, and I wasn't going to video this, but I thought, well, we'll do. And I took my camera, and at the start, as you've seen, I did a 0 to 17 mile an hour because people said it accelerated pretty quick. So Tom came with me and had my GPS, as you can see, and then we just went down the road, and it did flick up to 19 mile an hour at one point, but it does about 17, as you can see, and it gets there quite quickly. So just something a bit different while we still got it, you know. So anyway, I'm not doing an awful lot of talking on the way, but we went the main road all the way, and there's 4 of us. Mark was at the front, and then his friend on one of his other tractors, on Tom's tractor, in front of me, and then behind was Tom with a trailer on with another tractor on. So we took 5 tractors all in total, and we went on the main road all the way. And as you can see, it wasn't too bad actually. It was quite busy. And so I've just shown you some clips of it on the way. And what we did, we stopped here, and this one I think we managed to carry on. Yeah, there was a gap in the traffic, so we managed to carry on. But to wait, it's, as I say, it's you know, this is the Skeg road, like all this traffic's going to Skeg for the weekend. You know, so it's blooming busy, and here, as I say, it wasn't too bad. You know, we managed, I think, to pull. Yeah, we managed to pull straight out again. Look, but further up, when we pulled in and stopped, as I've shown you, we were sat there probably 5 minutes before we could set off again. You know, or something like that. Set minutes anyway. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it. As I say, I've just shown you because you've not seen much of this road, and especially with my camera mounted this way. So I'll just leave you to watch this, and when we get there, I've just done, as I say, a few brief clips of the route, and when we get into Wragby, I just leave it running at the traffic light so you can see, and then I finish off when we arrive, you know, where the show is. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see what we can find to bring you at the show.